I've been exploring the Bank of America Advantage Plus banking account for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this account. First, let's talk about its fees. The Bank of America Advantage Plus account comes with a $12 monthly maintenance fee. That might sound steep, but there are several ways to avoid it. Either you can have at least one qualifying direct deposit of $250 or more each month, or you can maintain a minimum daily balance of $1,500, or if you are a member of Bank of America's Preferred Rewards program. If you meet any of these requirements, the monthly fee drops to zero, which is a nice perk for account holders who can consistently meet those thresholds. When it comes to getting started, the minimum opening deposit is $100, which is higher than some basic checking accounts, but is still within reach for most people looking to open a new account. Now let's look at its access and flexibility. The Advantage Plus account gives you access to a debit card, Zelle for quick money transfers, and the ability to pay bills or send checks through mobile and online banking. You can also write paper checks, which isn't available with some of Bank of America's more basic accounts. For those worried about overdrafts, Bank of America offers Balance Connect, which lets you link up to 5 eligible accounts for overdraft protection. If you accidentally spend more than what you have, funds can be automatically transferred from your backup account to cover the difference. And if you do overdraft, the fee is $10 per transaction, with a maximum of 2 overdraft fees per day, which is lower than what some other banks charge. Additionally, ATM access is also solid, with free withdrawals at Bank of America ATMs. However, if you use an out-of-network ATM, you'll have to pay a $2.50 fee domestically and $5 internationally, plus any fees charged by the ATM owner. Overall, the Bank of America Advantage Plus account is a flexible option with solid digital banking features, add-in protections like overdraft coverage, and multiple ways to avoid the monthly fee. But if you can't meet the requirements to waive the fee, or if you frequently use out-of-network ATMs, you might want to explore other options. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.